With only 8 weeks left until Antigua Sailing Week, teams all over the world are looking for different ways to prepare for the race. Today we are in the Elektrenai power plant frozen lake, where Challenger sailing team is preparing for the race on the frozen water. Together with me we have Matas, organizer of Ice Blokart Championship of Europe. Matas, tell us a little bit about it. How you got inspired with this ice sailing, and what are you doing here today?
We have a big history, like 70 years in Lithuania, and that's the fastest sailing you can get because you have no friction. So it's enough 3-4 knots of the wind and you just go for 8, 7, 10 knots of speed. I mean, in ice sailing you double the wind speed minimum. You could go up to triple wind speed.
Okay, let's see how we're going to do on the ice.
Yeah,
thank you.
Sure.
And that's a wrap up. See you in Antigua.
Yes, we do.